So now you have to speak about your boss for 1 minute. Your wife sometimes gets angry suddenly. That you don't like about
Okay.
her. Okay. So tell me three things that you like about her.
She encourage me how to solve problems. When I face problems, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. What about ma'am?
I am also doing great. Tell me your name.
As you know, my name is Arvind Rao.
Arbindo.
Arvind Rao.
Arvind. Okay, Arvind, what do you do?
I am a now uh, I am working at a JSW Steel plant
You are working as a
as an assistant engineer in JSW Steel plant. I am working in a JSW Steel plant.
you are working as an assistant
Assistant engineer, sir.
engineer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me about your family.
In my family, there are 5 members: my father and my mothers, and me. I am my wife also.
You and your wife.
And
And
there is a child.
do you have children?
Yes, yes, I have baby boys.
Okay, you have a son.
Okay, ma'am.
You have a son?
I have a son.
Okay, how old is he?
He is 19 months old.
Oh, 19 months old. Okay, Arvind, why do you want to improve your English?
As you know that English is a global language. If you travel anywhere, English is needed. So I want to blend my English. As you know, ma'am, English is a global language. Without English nowadays, you cannot do anything.
Right. So you need English, because English is a global language. English is the international language. So you can't go anywhere if you don't know English well, right?
Right, ma'am.
So do you face problems at your workplace because of English?
No, ma'am. In our workplace, Hindi is Hindi is
Okay. So in your office, mainly Hindi is used.
Hindi is used. Ma'am.
Okay. When you will have to give interviews, then you will need English, right?
Right, ma'am.
Right. So do you want to change your job?
Yes, ma'am. If opportunity I will face, I will change my job.
Okay. So you are looking for other jobs. You are looking for other jobs, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you giving interviews?
No, ma'am. I have not given interview yet.
Okay. Okay. How are you doing your English speaking practice?
I want to know about how to speak a better English from you, ma'am.
Okay. You want to know how to speak English fluently, right? For speaking English fluently, you will have to listen to English content, watch English content, you will have to read, write, and most importantly, you will have to speak every day. You need to speak English every day. So do you speak English every day?
No, sir. The environment is not suitable for.
Okay. So then you can practice on apps. There are so many English learners who are using apps. So if you download some app, you can practice with them.
What are the apps, ma'am?
What? I didn't get you.
What are the name of the applications, ma'am?
Okay. There is a good app called Sparky. It is an AI app.
Sparky.
Yeah. You can download this app, and this is an AI app. That means a robot will talk to you. So you can do your English speaking practice with it. It will correct your grammar mistakes. It will correct your pronunciation mistakes. You can even practice for interviews, and you can do any kind of conversation with it. And it is very, very cheap and affordable. 6 months plan is only for 600 rupees. That means you have to pay just 100 rupees for 1 month. So 100 rupees a month. Isn't it affordable?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Mama, I have watched your videos daily, ma'am, in YouTube.
Okay.
How to speak fluently.
So you are watching my videos every day. So which videos are you watching? The conversational
Every
ones?
day. Yes, ma'am. Conversations, ma'am.
Okay. For how long have you been watching my videos?
Around 15 to 1 month.
Okay. For around 1 month. Okay. So what do you like about my videos?
Your conversation style, I like very much.
Thank you so much. Okay. So
your style is very much. Your style impressed me very much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
talking style.
Have you subscribed to my channel?
Yes, ma'am, I have subscribed.
Okay, that's great. So keep watching my videos every single day. But apart from watching the conversation videos, you need to speak English every day. So what you can do is you can stand in front of the mirror and you can start talking to yourself. Should I give you an activity?
Yes, ma'am.
I will give you a speaking activity. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the name of your boss?
The name of our boss is K. Ravishankar.
Abhishek.
Ravishankar.
Abhishek.
K. Ravishankar. She
K.
is a South Indian.
Okay. Okay. Actually, it's very difficult. K. Abhishek.
K. Ravishankar.
K. Ravishek. Okay. So now you have to speak about your boss for 1 minute. You have to describe his personality in 1 minute and how he speaks to you, how he behaves with other people. You have to speak about him. Okay. And
Okay.
after that, I will tell you what mistakes you made. Yeah. Please start.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah. Please start.
How can you? How can you help him, sir?
No, you can start like, my boss's name is K. Ravishek. He is this kind of a person. You start speaking about him.
Okay, ma'am. I think you are my boss, sir. I think you are my boss, sir. I am your.
No,
Good
you
af-
have to just tell me about your boss. I am not your boss. You tell me about your boss in 1 minute.
Okay. Mr. K. Ravishankar is our boss. He is our boss. He is GM of our company. See, he is very simple and he is very honest. His work culture is very simple.
Speak in detail. I want details.
And he is punctual in his job.
Okay, what do you like about him?
What do you like about him? His behavior I like his behavior I impressed me very much.
I mean, what is it about his behavior that you like?
And because his company management style is very good, very well.
Okay, tell me something that you don't like about him. Tell me something that you dislike about him. Don't worry, your boss is not going to watch this video. So please tell me what.
There is nothing about which I have
Nothing.
dislike him.
So you are so loyal to him that you are not going to tell what you dislike
Nothing,
about
ma'am.
him. Okay. 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 Now I will give you second activity. Now,
There is nothing, ma'am.
okay, there is really nothing that you don't like about him. So you like everything about your boss. Oh, you love him so much.
Okay, ma'am. He loves me very much.
Okay.
He loves
Now,
me very much.
okay, that's great. Now I will give you second activity. Okay.
Okay.
Now tell me things that you don't like about your wife. Tell me something that you don't
My,
like about your wife. Yeah.
About my wife, she is very simple, ma'am. Sometimes he sometimes he angry suddenly tempers suddenly angry. That I don't like this.
Okay. Anything else?
Anything? No.
Okay. So you immediately told what you don't like about your wife, but you had nothing to say when I asked you something that you don't like about your
Listen,
boss.
listen, ma'am. I am basically from Odisha, and I am staying in Karnataka in Bellary district.
Okay. Your wife sometimes gets angry suddenly. That you don't like about
Okay.
her. Okay. So tell me three things that you like about her.
She is very punctual and she is a homemaker and she is very punctual and she encourage me how to solve problems. When I face problems, she describe me how to solve that problem. Don't be nervous, etc.
Okay. These are two things. Tell me the third thing.
Third thing is she loves my parents very well. I like his character is very good. My parent, that's why I like
Okay.
her very much.
So
Like
what was
her
the
very much.
Okay. So what was the first thing? She's very punctual. She's a homemaker, right?
Right, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. First thing is she is punctual.
She get up from bed earlier and do the housework
Okay. Okay.
speedily, and she take care my child very well. That's like her very much.
Okay. She gets up early in the morning and she does all the things on time. She does the household chores on time and she takes care of your son very nicely. That is what you like about her. And the second thing is, whenever you face any problems, she encourages you, she motivates you to
I
deal
cannot
with them, and she tells you how
I
to deal
cannot
with
get you,
them.
ma'am.
Right? So, the third thing is she takes care of your parents very well. That is what you like about her. That is why you love her. Right?
Right, ma'am.
Now, you tell me, you want to ask me any questions?
I want to, ma'am, how to speak fluently English, ma'am.
How to speak English fluently? I told you, you will have to listen to English content every day and watch English content every day. You can watch English movies also and TV series also. Do you like them?
I like them.
Okay. Have you watched an English movie ever?
Uh, I have watched. I have watched 2 months ago, ma'am.
Which
2 months
movie
ago,
did you watch? Which movie did you watch?
I forget the name of the movies, ma'am.
Okay,
Actually, I forget
tell
the
me the
name.
last movie that you watched.
Oh, I have watched in English version of Anaconda. Oh, I think Anaconda in English version, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me the story of that movie. That is your activity number 3.
Okay, ma'am. In that story, some people are gone to the Amazon river.
We never say some people.
Traveling for the Amazon river in the.
Wait a minute. We don't say peoples. People is plural, so you can't put S with it. So don't say some people.
Okay, ma'am.
Say some people.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Some people traveling through Amazon river.
No. Some people
Traveling in Amazon river and they.
Wait a minute. Please wait after every sentence so that I correct the mistakes. Some people traveling is wrong. Some people were traveling. It is past tense,
Okay,
no?
ma'am.
Some people were traveling
Okay, wait.
through Amazon River.
Some people were through Amazon rivers. At that time, they found snakes, big snakes, whose name is Anaconda.
Okay, there were many snakes on the way.
There on the and many animals and many real animals are present in that rivers, and many they have face many difficulties.
Okay, they faced many difficulties on their journey. Okay. Then how did they overcome those difficulties?
There are many people's many people were killed by.
You are again saying many peoples. Stop saying peoples.
Okay.
Peoples is a wrong word.
Okay, ma'am. Some people were killed by anaconda.
Okay.
And out of 2 people's maybe escaped their lives from that river.
So that was the story. Did you enjoy this movie?
Yes, I have enjoyed.
So where did you watch this movie? On OTT or at cinemas?
No, ma'am. I have watched this in YouTube.
Okay, you
YouTube
watched
channel.
this on YouTube. Okay.
In YouTube.
Okay. We don't say in YouTube. You can
I
say,
want to know about ma'am.
I watched this movie on YouTube. Don't say in YouTube.
Okay, ma'am. I want to know about you, ma'am.
You want to know about me. Tell me, what do you want to know?
What is your profession and about your profession?
I am a spoken English trainer. I only make YouTube videos. I am not doing a job now. Earlier, I was doing a job. I was a software developer. But then I left that job. When my children were born, I left that job. And after a few years, I started my coaching center. After COVID, I started my YouTube channel, and right now I'm only doing YouTube. I'm only making videos for YouTube. That is what I do. And this is doing well.
Where?
I live in Noida.
Okay, in Delhi.
Yeah, but I'm basically from Delhi. I was
Noida,
born and raised in Delhi.
Noida is near to Delhi, New Delhi.
What did you say?
Noida is very near to Delhi.
Yeah,
Near
yeah, it's very
to
close to Delhi. Right. So, is your 19 months old naughty?
no. She is 19 months old. Now she is he is 19 months old and he walking slowly and
Okay.
speaking slowly.
Okay, okay.
She is very silent.
Okay, he has
He is
started
very
walking.
silent. He started working.
Okay, did
He
he
is
say
starting
his,
work.
did he say his first words? What were his first words?
Oh, Mama, Baba. His first words.
Okay, so he speaks a little.
He speaks very little.
Okay, so who takes care of your son?
His mother and my mother and my father and
And you
my
don't do
wife.
anything? You don't do anything for him?
I did not get him, ma'am.
You don't take care of him?
Now, ma'am, I am far from here. You know, Odisha is very far from this, about 1500 kilometers from Karnataka. In when I am studying, I have completed my study in 2011. And then I got campus in JSW still. From 2011 to present, I am working in JSW still.
Okay, your
It is
wife is
very
not
far
with
from
you?
my.
You are not living with your wife?
No.
Okay,
She is my village. Actually, my father.
Okay. So
Actually, my father.
she lives in
Okay,
the
ma'am.
village with
Actually,
your
my
parents.
father. Okay, ma'am. She lives in my village with my parents.
Okay, she lives in the village with your parents.
Actually, my father. Actually, my father got an accident. His leg has broken. That's why she leaves my with parents to take care him.
They need someone to take care of them.
Okay.
Do as I told you, keep watching English conversations, keep watching English content, and practice every day. Practice speaking every day, and you will become fluent in English. Okay. So best of luck, Arvind.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, then bye bye.
Thank
Have
you.
a great day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.